Hello and welcome to our channel.
Today's video, floor plans.
Smash that like button.
Why?
Why not?
Oh. When we made the decision to go ahead and build the bus, I told Andy one of the things I absolutely had to have was a passenger seat that looks out the windshield. So my seat is going to be right here, and Connor's seat is going to be right here behind Andy's, and we're going to be at the level that I'm standing on right now. The rest of these platformed up levels and the ramp are going to be gone. We're going to make that all the same height as the highest level so that all the bus floor is the same height once you get past our seats.
Welcome to the dining room. In lieu of a table, we're going to have a bar here, and we'll have 3 stools that look out the window, and we're just hoping that the view is beautiful. Most places we are, and we'd rather look out the window and make use of these large windows. From there, we have one shallow cabinet. This has one big door on it. This cabinet has a series of small drawers. I think it's 6 small drawers in this one. The next 18 inches is our dishwasher. Beyond the dishwasher is our sink. We have a small sink. I think it's a 13 inch by 13 inch bowl. The dishwasher uses less water than hand washing, so we figured a small sink and a dishwasher is easier and uses less water. This cabinet has, I think it's a shallow drawer, a medium drawer, and a deep drawer on it. We went with the Lazy Susan in the corner. Seemed like the best use of the space. Over here, we will have our cooktop. It's a 3-burner Furion cooktop. And then we have a convection microwave oven that will be built in below, and that will have room for one drawer underneath it. This cabinet here was ordered by accident. Originally it was going to go on the end. It's another shallow cabinet. We don't have room for it. We're going to put it here to the right of what's going to be the fridge, and I think it's going to work really well having extra little bit of counter space. And then to the left of the fridge will be the couch, and that brings us all the way back over to Nancy's chair. We decided a hallway down the side was the best layout for us, because then you didn't have to walk through any rooms to get to another room. Most coach buses have the bathroom in the middle, and you walk through the bathroom to get to the bedroom. If it was just Nancy and I, that would work fine. It's not going to work with Connor with us. So with the hallway off to the side, the first door you'd go through would be the bathroom. We wanted a large shower, and it's hard to fit a large shower in a small bathroom, so we decided that what we're going to need is a wet bath. The toilet is going to go on the back wall here, and we're going to have a shower curtain that comes across in front of the toilet that keeps it dry and keeps the toilet paper and some storage dry. The main bathroom area itself is going to be one large shower pan. It's going to have a shower head up here in the corner off to the side of the door. The sink is going to be here. I'm really looking forward to having a sink in the shower because I shave my head in the shower, and this way I can have the water off, rinse the razor in a sink, and save a whole bunch of water. And being the whole bathroom is going to be a shower, you can see this floor is spongy. This is temporary. I have the hole already cut out. The whole floor is going to be a shower pan. And I think this is going to work really well to be able to have this large of a shower in this small of a bathroom.
The next room down the hallway from the bathroom is Connor's room. Now, originally we had planned to have Connor's room first and then the bathroom, so there was a little bit of space between our room and our teenage son's room. But once we saw what was underneath, where the bays were, what was in the floor, we realized that in order to have the floor of the bathroom be a shower pan, we had to move where the bathroom was going to be. So now Connor's bedroom is second. And we gave Connor as much space as we could give him. I cannot remember off the top of my head exactly how big his bedroom is, but it's longer than the length of his twin bed. Now, when we started planning this process, Connor was the shortest person in our family, and he is now the tallest person in our family. So the elevator bed that we had talked about is probably out the window. And honestly, I have no idea what's going on in here because we told him his room was up to him and he could plan it however he wanted, and he's been very tight-lipped about anything that he might want to do in there. So this is Connor's room. And last but not least, at the very back of the bus is our bedroom. I wanted our bedroom to be at the back of the bus simply because I wanted our bedroom to span the back of the bus, east to west, west to east, whatever. I wanted us to be able to lay our head here or here, if need be, depending on where we're parked. We'll have enough space for our queen size bed, which is going to have to sit on top of this lovely little airbox here. We had hoped that when we peeled all of the bathroom paneling off, this would not be here, so that we just have a big open spot so we could put a window, but this lovely little air intake was there. So we won't do that, but I do believe there's a window under here, so we'll see what the future holds. We are going to have a desk space here for Andy and I to either write or video edit or whatever it is that we need to do. And then I'm not sure what we're doing with storage on walls. I believe we're going to have some sort of a closet here because I do have clothes that I'm going to want to hang up. And we'll probably have some kind of storage in this little area here, some kind of cubbies. But this is us at the back. And one other thing too is technically these windows don't open, but I do believe we're going to get hardware so that our windows do open. So we'll have opening windows in our room, which makes me really excited.
Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to see this floor plan turn into an actual bus, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, peace.
See you later.
What was it record?
Okay. I'm sorry. I think I'm tired.
It is 8 o'clock.
I did not
sleep.
it is or something. It's like 8. I don't know. 7:49.
I get it. It's bedtime. You get delirious.
Oh my god. Well, I didn't sleep very well last night, and then I was up at 3:41 in the morning.